Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IIUI, Adiala Road Campus. Subject Science for Grade 7. Chapter 12 Electric Current and Circuits. Our today's topic is electromagnet. Dear student, any conductor that has a straight wire through which electric current is flowing is called electromagnet. That's because there is a magnetic field around it. However, we can make magnet strong by wrapping the wire around a piece of iron, such as an iron nail. Even if the current is same in both cases, this one, as you see, the nail resulting the stronger magnetic field. There are some factors on which the strength of electromagnet depends. The current flowing in the wire is one of them. Students, if we increase the flow of current in the wire, the strength of the magnetic field of this electromagnet will also increase. Is there any other way? Yes, there is. Another way to increase the strength of this magnetic field is by increasing the number of turns of the wire around the nail. More the number of turns, the stronger the magnetic field will be. Dear students, in this video we will see a few applications of electromagnets. So where we use it. You must have seen large machines used to lift up the cars. They have electromagnet in them. This electromagnet is so strong that it can lift up the whole weight of a car. The second application of electromagnet is electromagnet can also use to separate metal objects from pile of junks. Students, now what if I tell you that they are used to in the fastest train around the world? Yes, the Shanghai Maglev train is started as the world's fastest train, and it works on the concept of electromagnetism. Let's understand the use of electromagnet in simple devices such as electric bell. Yes, most of the bells we see nowadays are electric bells. Students, here we see the simplest diagram of an electric bell. This is the inner structure of the bell. Let me tell you first the name of the basic component. This is a push-button switch, which is nothing just a switch when we ring the bell. This is the horseshoe magnet having coil of wires around it. This will act as electromagnet when current flow through it. So we can see the circuit and how it is formed. This circuit is not complete yet. Students, why it is not complete? Actually, we haven't pressed the push switch. When we press the switch, the circuit becomes complete and the current flows from the positive to the negative terminal. But when the current flows through the coil, it becomes electromagnet. This electromagnet then attracts the soft iron known as armature towards it. In the process, hammers strike the gong and the sound is produced. But notice what happened when a hammer hits the gong. As soon as the soft iron away from its original spot, the circuit breaks. It no longer connects the wire with the terminal of battery. When the circuit breaks, the current stops flowing. So, this electromagnet gets demagnetized, after which soft iron go back to its start position. This process is continue until the switch is open again. As soon as we release the push button, the circuit breaks and the bell stops ringing. That's the basic idea how an electric bell is worked.